Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a white outline on CapCut PC, like on your videos. So just copy and paste it once. Go to cutout and go to auto cutout. Then you're just going to copy and paste that again. On the second video, you're going to go to adjustments and you're going to make everything look super bright. First, I'm just going to adjust the saturation and I'm going to move it to the right so you can see what I'm doing. Brightness. Contrast doesn't really matter. Highlight, shadow, and illumination. Looks kind of weird now, but you're just going to right click on that and then create compound clip. Then you're going to do the same thing again. Highlight, shadow, illumination. It's not going to look super perfect. I'm just going to not use illumination on this one, but as you can see, it created this white sort of silhouette, I guess. Don't know if you can call it a silhouette, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.